Welcome to the installation of Fishbone Offroad's winch line fishhook. Please note that the fishhook will not fit bumpers with recessed fairlead mounts. Step 1. Remove any fairleads currently installed on your bumper. If needed, disconnect your winch hook. Step 2. Slide your synthetic rope through the fishhook's cable slot, followed by your winch's fairlead. Holding the two parts together, place them up to your bumper and into place using the two included bolts, led by a flat washer. With a 5/16 Allen wrench, secure the fishhook with a lock washer followed by a nut. Step 3. Re-secure your winch hook and wrap the excess synthetic rope around your rope hooks. Enjoy your new Fishbone Offroad winch line fishhook.